Up until now, we've used Power BI Desktop, which is a free application that you can download and install on your computer, to connect to data, transform data. That was in the Power BI 1A course. And in this course, the Power BI 1B course, we've created visuals and insights based on that data. Once you create your report in Power BI Desktop, you then want to publish it to Power BI Service. By publishing it to Power BI Service, you can then distribute that report to others and they can collaborate on that report. So how do we publish this Power BI file, this report, to Power BI Service? You use the Publish button on the far right end of the Home tab in the ribbon. If I click this button, basically it allows me to save any changes, so I'll click Save. I'll then choose to publish it to my workspace and I'll choose Select. This will then, for me, say that I've actually already published it. So I'm going to replace it. You won't get that. And so eventually we'll get a success statement saying that we've successfully published this Power BI report to the Power BI Service. Now, if you want to actually see it in Power BI Service, click this hyperlink here. What this does is this opens up Power BI Service, and now I'm looking at my report through Power BI Service, which I can still modify it to a certain degree, but I actually think it's easier to create your reports in Power BI Desktop and then publish them to Power BI Service. But this is what other people will see, and so I can distribute my report using this. If I then hit the X, I can close that. I can also get quick insights, which can be helpful, but basically I've got it. I've published my report to Power BI Service.